Jai Shri Gurudev. Hi students, I am Shilpa. Today explain the revision of ratio analysis in the question paper problem in 2014. Ratio analysis. Following is the balance sheet of Ajanta Company Limited as on 31st March 2012. Liabilities. Equity shares capital rupees 10, 5 lakh. 10% preference shares capital 3 lakh. Reserve fund 1,20,000. Profit and loss account 55,000. 15% debenture 2,40,000. Bank overdraft 40,000. Creditors 1,15,000. Bills payable 35,000. Tax provision 50,000. Asset side. Freehold premises 4,50,000. Plant and machinery 3,30,000. Furniture 84,000. Stock 2,30,000. Debtors 1,95,000. Bills receivable 45,000. Marketable securities 50,000. Cash balance 20,000. Prepaid expenses 36,000. Preliminary expenses 15,000. Total balance 14,55,000. Another informations, total sales during the year rupees 21,60,000 and net profit after the tax rupees 3 lakh. You are required to compute the current ratio, exit test ratio, proprietary ratios, debt equity ratios, fixed asset ratio, return on capital employed ratio. So first ratio, current ratio. Formula, current assets divided by current liability. Find the current assets. Current assets, stock 2,30,000. Debtors 1,95,000. Bills receivable 45,000. Cash balance 20,000. Marketable securities 50,000. Prepaid expenses 36,000. Total 5,36,000. Current liability, bank overdraft 40,000. Creditors 1,15,000. Bills payable 35,000. Tax provisions 50,000. Total 2,40,000. Apply the formula, 5,76,000 divided by 2,40,000. Answer is 2.4:1. So next ratio, exit test ratio. Liquid assets divided by liquid liabilities. Find the liquid assets. Current assets already done, 5,76,000. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಾಕು 2,30,000, ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು 36,000. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3,10,000. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ, current liability 2,40,000 minus bank overdraft 40,000. Remaining balance 2 lakh. So apply the formula, 3,10,000 divided by 2 lakh. Answer is 1.55:1. Next ratio, proprietary ratios. Formula, shareholders fund divided by total assets. Find the shareholders fund. Shareholders funds is nothing but a internal equities. Equity shares plus preference shares plus reserve fund plus profit and loss account minus preliminary expenses. Equity shares 5 lakh, preference shares 3 lakh, reserve fund 1,20,000, profit and loss account 55,000 minus preliminary expenses 15,000. Answer 9,60,000. Total assets 14,55,000 minus preliminary expenses 15,000. Remaining the balance 14,40,000. Apply the formula, 9,60,000 divided by 14,40,000. Answer is 0.67:1. Then another ratio, debt equity ratio. Formula: external equities divided by internal equities. Find the external equities. External equities is only on debentures. 15% debenture, 2,40,000. Internal equities is nothing but a shareholders funds or internal equities. So 9,16,000. So apply the formula: 2,40,000 divided by 9,60,000. Answer 0.25:1. Next ratio: fixed asset turnover ratio. Formula: cost of sales divided by net fixed assets. Cost of sales already given to the problem. Total sales during the year rupees 21,60,000. 21,60,000 is nothing but a cost of sales. Then find the net fixed assets. Net fixed assets: freeholder premises 4,50,000, plant and machinery 3,30,000, furniture 84,000. Total 8,64,000. Apply the formula: 21,60,000 divided by 8,64,000. Answer 2.5 times. Then last ratio: return on capital employed ratio. Formula: operating profit or net profit divided by capital employed is into 100. Operating profit or net profit is given to the questions. Given the net profit after tax rupees 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Next, capital employed. Calculate the capital employed: equity shares plus preference shares plus reserve fund plus profit and loss account minus preliminary expenses. It is nothing but shareholders fund, then internal equities. So answer will be the 9,60,000. So apply the formula: 3 lakh divided by 9,60,000 into 100. Answer 31.25%. Thank you.